Welcome to Clinton Hill's most prestigious townhouse. I'm Bianca Delesio, and I can't wait to give you a tour today of 126 Washington. Let's go inside. I can't wait to show you around. One of my favorite features of this home is its arch window. It's visible from the street and one of the first things you see as soon as you walk through your front door. This entry foyer is a moment of its own. The light streams through these windows, spanning from your front door all the way through the kitchen. It's the perfect place to put on your Louboutins before heading out into the city. There are so many things I love about this kitchen. It is every chef's dream. Where do I even begin? Probably with my favorite, which is this hood, fully wrapped in marble. And this island, look at it, it's huge. It has not one, but two glamorous waterfall edges. The cabinetry is custom and plentiful, with tons of room for storage. And of course, only the best appliances. Whether it's brunch on your island, dinner around the table, or a garden party in your backyard, could you imagine 5 levels of outdoor space? Living here, you're gonna be the host everyone wants to know. The entertaining continues with this palatial living room. This living room is so bright, airy, and comfortable, but it is also perfect for a sophisticated soiree. And with this wall of windows and doors, you could always bring the festivities outside. There's a wet bar and wine refrigerator right here. And for your art collection, there's plenty of gallery-like wall space. The second floor also has a powder room and a full guest suite, one of 4 ensuite bedrooms in this home. But I'm taking you to the primary, which occupies the entire 3rd floor of this home. This is truly my dream bedroom. It's ethereal and elegant all at the same time. There's a wall of windows with yet another terrace. And for my fashion lovers, including me, there's plenty of closets. And imagine starting your mornings in this bathroom. It's got the eastern light pouring through these 3 windows, a deep soaking tub, rain shower, and a double vanity, which is definitely a relationship saver. Just when you thought that was it, there's even more. But before we go upstairs, can we just take a moment for this skylight? Believe it or not, this guest bedroom is my favorite room in the entire house. Even though this home is so modern in architecture and design, I love the way this cinematic arch window offers a view into Brooklyn's past. With its classic townhouses and tree-lined street, it really doesn't get any better than this. This fully finished roof terrace is yet another great space for entertaining. If this were mine, I would turn this into my own private wellness retreat. Yoga in the morning and jacuzzi at night. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at 126 Washington Avenue with me. I'll see you on the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.